Hello smart people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to mute some user on the Google Chat application so that you will get your pace. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Chat application, and after you open it, you just need to open the room chat with your friends that you want to mute. So let's say I would like to mute this friends here. So after you open it, you just need to go click the name of the users, and that will bring you into the conversation option. In this conversation option, you need to go click this part to mute the conversations so that you will never receive any notifications, sounds or alert whenever your friends sending you a message or chat. So that's so simple. You now can get your peace. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully the tutorial today is really helpful for you, and I will see you for the next video. Thank you for watching.